Let's check in on the markets. Our business reporter Ed Boyd. So much action on state politics, but the local markets actually soared to a new high, Ed.
Yeah, Kieran, the ASX 200 finished up about 1% today. It's reached a 7-month high, so it's currently at its highest level since back in March. So it's been a long time since the market has made, it's taken 7 months to get back to where we are today. So we gained a lot of value today, really due to the technology sector. US tech stocks jumped sharply overnight. The Nasdaq was up almost 3% overnight, and that helped our market today. So our tech sector gained about 2% in value today. The banking sector was strong as well today, gaining about 2% in value. But Aussie coal miners, they lost significant amount of value this morning on reports China was blocking coal shipments from Australia. But in the last couple of hours of trading, it emerged that China is actually likely to cap foreign coal imports at 2017 levels. So it wasn't terrible news for our coal stocks. And as an example, Whitehaven Coal, the initial reports China was blocking coal exports, its share price plummeted about 6% today. But when the good news emerged later in the afternoon that the coal sector wasn't in as much trouble as we thought, its shares actually finished up, and Whitehaven Coal finished up about 1%, and that's about the same amount the ASX 200 finished up as well, Kieran, up about 1.1%.
And Ed, a couple of big AGMs today, much to report?
Yeah, we had Telstra and CBA. Telstra Chairman John Mullen made a bit of a pledge to shareholders today. He said, we're pretty upset and disappointed with the way our company has performed of late, and it's going to be a challenge to maintain our 16-cent per share annual dividend. But he said they're going to do everything they can to maintain that dividend. And his commitment to this 16-cent per share dividend gave Telstra shares a bit of a boost today. They finished up about 4%. And then conversely, Commonwealth Bank, it also held an AGM today, and about 21% of CBA shareholders voted against the company's remuneration report and proposed executive bonus to Chief Executive Matt Comyn. You need a 25% negative vote to get a first strike against a business, so they avoided a first strike. But take a listen to an exchange here between a shareholder and CBA's chairman, Catherine Livingston.
Chairman, a question from shareholder Cameron Patton. Having the CEO take a 14% pay rise on his $4 million plus salary while only offering the rest of employees 1.5% is unconscionable. As an employee, this makes me feel worthless. Why did the board direct the unnecessary 14% and pay rises through for execs, and why not to staff who've worked very hard, tirelessly, endlessly through COVID-19 on their training budgets, fair pay increases and bonuses, staff who are nowhere near $4 million plus per year?
So first of all, I again would recognise really the incredible contribution that our staff have played this year, and particularly those customer-facing staff who have worked tirelessly to make sure that we can have the best possible outcomes for our customers. But I'd reiterate again, if you look at the overall outcome for senior executives, it is in fact a 19% reduction in the maximum potential remuneration, and included in that is a 12% reduction in the maximum cash remuneration.
So CBA chairwoman there, Catherine Livingston, answering a lot of questions today about executive remuneration, and executive remuneration is going to be a key topic, a key issue for shareholders at all the AGMs this season, which will continue until November. Kieran?
Ed, thank you very much. Talk to you soon.